Portland, love to see it.
Love to see it. Big rider.
Period. Yeah.
That is good.
Telling me you're not gonna waste my time. Don't make diamond, but pressure bust pipe.
Hi guys. So today I am in my hometown. Let's say that I have not been here in so many months. And today I'm going jet skiing for the first time. Imagine, you know, I'm Olivia. I'm gonna go jet skiing. I eat that for myself. But you know. Hi. You know, stop treating my body. I do treat you well. Today we're going pink with the contacts. Again, they are non-prescription based, and if you're going in the water, I don't know if you can hear me, but just know that if you not go beach, do not wear contacts in the water. So right now I'm about to take them out and put them back in here. Once again, if you want these contacts, remember to go on TTD_I for them. Alright? Okay. What you say?
Make a vlog like you. Hi.
Goodies.
Hey guys.
Goodies.
Shine. Mama Tucky, my belly. Portland, love to see it.
Love to see it. Purr. Oh my god. I got a keys, y'all. Okay. Come here. You don't want to tell the people about your
But I can't see my face though. I'm not gonna see my face. So shout out Shelby on our channel. Follow me or subscribe to my channel, Rizzy J Burke.
Right.
You know what I say? Daily vlogs in Portland. It's lit. Get over here, bro.
You see, imagine I live here and I've never done any of this.
People,
I've never come back here, come do this. That's
Shelby
crazy.
a priest. Me tell Shelby
Don't
to
do
make
that.
me an outro a long time ago, and she haven't done that as yet. And look at now, look for me go meet Shelby.
I ate this for myself.
Yeah, no, beginner.
Watch out. All them places, the water like shallow.
Is there Shelby?
Right, set the jet ski.
Yeah.
You know.
Caught.
Choose right now. Pokemon Go. Choose right now. Let's go. Right now. I love all girls. Tall girls.
Excited? Ready? Simona call it. Let's go.
Where?
How the fuck this work? This can't zoom. I don't like this.
Why should I go for my
I don't like this.
Me know my limits and that is my limits.
Say hi guys to the vlog.
Hi.
Hi. Guys, say hi to the vlog. Jenna, hi to the vlog. Yeah, period. Guys, say hi to the vlog. Hi. The license is, oh no, good. Hold on, but even know how you go back on this. But even know how you work this. I swear to God. Hold on.
Guys, it's me, Tokyo Shroud. Just vibing.
Period.
Vibing.
Period. She's not good like dog. Oh my God. I've been vlogging for you.
Boy, if you don't
Hot.
We're a big rider.
Period. Yeah.
Period.
Yeah.
And when I go inside, I'll show you guys where I'm at. Because I'm not sure if you're going to really pick up. Anyways, guys. See you when we get inside.
All of them in your family? Yeah. Oh.
you ready? Sure. Now crash.
Choose your fighter.
Contract sign.
License inspired. Fight.
Yeah, anti-blocks.
What's so now we're on the double and we're going back out there. It's like people, if I can try keep a little vlog out there, I go try, you know. This don't make sense. Fake. You know. Anyway, people, my eyebrow come off. The lashes fly off. Watch out. Put the lash glue. That's stress out. Can't do that. But you know, that's how we go. And this him say, one of you go follow because him don't want to show him face. Okay? Okay.